Hello guys. So, if you're looking to keep your emails unread even after you have read them, so if that's the case, you have come to the right place because today in this video I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that. Now, firstly what you have to do is just simply open your Outlook. Now as you can see, I don't have any unread mails over here. So now in order to select the mails that I want to change to unread, just simply click on that particular mail and right click and click on mark as unread, add it as unread. As you can see right over here as the blue symbol over here, and you will also find it in the unread section right over here. You can choose multiple emails by just simply holding CTRL and clicking on the emails like this. You can choose multiple emails and then after choosing the emails, right click and click on mark as unread, and they will be all added as unread. As you can see right over here in the inbox, over here there will be mentioned 8 unread mails, and you can also see that in the unread column over here. Now if you want to change it to back to read, just simply click on CTRL A to select all of the unread mails, right click, mark as read. They will be all removed from unread and will be transferred back to read. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.